In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import multiple Excel files in Power BI. We'll walk through the simple, repeatable process to bring your Excel data into Power BI Desktop, and I'll share a few practical tips to keep things clean and consistent as you go. This approach is great when you have a handful of files and you want full control over what comes in from each one. Start in Power BI Desktop on the Home tab. Choose Excel Workbook, then browse your computer to find the first file you want to bring in. It helps if your files are saved locally and closed before you import, so Power BI can read them without issues. Once you pick a file, you'll see a preview window where Power BI lists the sheets and any tables it detects. Take a moment to select exactly what you need. If your data is formatted as tables in Excel, those will usually come through cleaner, with headers and types recognized more accurately. In the preview, check that the columns and sample rows look right. If you see multiple sheets, choose the one that contains your reporting data rather than notes or reference sheets. When you're satisfied, proceed and bring that selection into Power BI. Depending on the file size, it may take a moment. When it finishes, you'll see the imported data appear in the Fields pane, ready for visuals or further modeling. To import more Excel files, repeat the exact same process. Go back to the Home tab, select Excel Workbook again, browse to the next file, review the preview, and bring it in. You'll do this one file at a time. That's by design, because each importing session requires a little setup. You'll want to confirm the right sheet or table, check column names, and make sure the data looks consistent. This is also a good point to rename each query in the Queries pane to something clear, so you can tell your sources apart later. If Power BI prompts you to apply changes while you're working, go ahead and confirm so your model stays up to date. And if you notice small inconsistencies, like different column headers for the same field, consider standardizing them now so your visuals and relationships behave as expected. That's all there is to it. Click Excel Workbook, browse, review, import, and repeat for each file you want to include. If you later decide you need a more automated approach for many files, there are advanced options, but this straightforward, one-by-one method gives you control and clarity from the start.